Okay, so we have a factory update here. We just received this new container and paid a lot of money for it. Actually, it's pretty expensive for an empty container. It has holes in the roof. They look like the holes were plugged and fixed, but we won't know until it actually rains, and then it's going to be too late. So I think we're going to take it anyway, even though it's damaged, and we'll just deal with it if it does leak when it rains, and might even get a rain today, so we can let's see what happens. But we have another container right over here that doesn't actually have a roof on it. So we made just a cloth roof, and we use it to store some stuff. So we're actually going to use this new container, put it on top of this, so it will make basically a roof. So we desperately need storage space, so we'll probably need a few more containers because we have a lot of supplies coming in and we need a place to put all the supplies. So we'll probably need to get 2 or 3 or 4 more containers, and then we'll be good to go.